So this is Elena, and to prepare her hair, we blow dried it with Root Lift from Pureology. You can see here on the side that we've got a parting that is curved. It comes from the recession area back all the way down to behind the ear. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking a section that runs diagonally back on the side, and we're going to comb that up. If you look at that section there, it's going to cover the parting. So I'm going to put my elastic right at the top, pull that through, take another, put it around again, and do that around a few times. So this is sort of a play on a braid, but it's going to be done with elastics that have color. So that's the first section. Now what I'm going to do is take another section, still on the diagonal. We're going to bring it up to the top and match it up to our section here. So that's our second section. So we're just going to continue taking sections pivoting from this point here so that it starts to make a circle or a radial section around the ear. So there you can see this side is complete. I'm going to go to the front now. So I've combed the hair over to the side the way that it's going to fall. What I'm going to do now is just pick a piece from where it lives, and I'm just going to hold it in natural fall in that position and place my elastic there. And I'm just going to take the next piece and just move down about an inch. So what we're trying to do is avoid having too much space in between here. So that's why we're combing the hair into natural fall. So I'm just going to continue adding pieces as I go, just making that line descend down the back as I go. Okay, so you can see I've worked my way down the one side, and I've still got hair hanging here in the middle. We're coming back to the other side where I started, and I'm just going to pick up little pieces as I go, keeping it low and close to the head. Okay, so here is Elena finished, but there's one more step I want to take, and that's just to move the hair around and look for different shapes that it can take on. And here we've got more of like a, I don't know, super glamorous 1940s movie star-esque feeling going on. And what I did was I just tucked the ends in underneath in the back. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a pin right back here. So I tucked the ends in underneath. There they are, and I'm going to put a pin through there and back into the twist. And that'll just pin that up nice, so it just goes over the shoulder. And then in the front, we have this little bit more of her hair being swept over to the side.